Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this incredible suitcase. First of all, it is so cute. My daughter loves it. She says it's very aesthetic. It is plastic, so this is very lightweight, but I do love that it has metal reinforcements on the corners. The bottom wheels have 360-degree rotation. Let me show you on the bottom there, okay? And then you have really nice zippers, and this is even reinforced at the bottom, which is very, very nice. The handle is telescoping. We're gonna take a look at that in a second. You have the double zipper. And another nice feature is that you have the TSA Approved Lock. And it just comes right here. There are instructions that come with it, so you can just read those. It's very easy to use. I want to show you inside. This thing is small, but so roomy. So you do have two sides to this. You have the side with the elastic strap that does come apart. I just wanted to put some things in here to show you how spacious this is. I do want to comment that on the back of this, there is a cup holder. And so that does take up a little space on the inside here. You have the nice mesh bag on top that has a zipper. And then this is a side zip. This is my gigantic full length down winter coat. That fits in here. So that just gives you some reference for size. What I think I love the most about this bag is the thoughtfulness with the outside. So on the front, you have this silver hook that pulls down, and I can hang a bag on there. You do have the feet that you can set the suitcase on the ground, but these also double as a place to hold bags. This one's just a little bit long, so I'll just go ahead and put that there. You get the idea. The bag does hang. This one is a little bit too long. On the back, you have a cup holder that pulls out, and you can keep your coffee cup here. And I love this feature. Hidden under the handle is a USB-C port. You can put a charging block on the inside of your suitcase and then plug this in. And while you are sitting waiting for your flight, you can plug in your device and you can watch it from here. You could do that with your phone or with your tablet. The handles on this are really nice because they are plastic, so those are going to withstand all of the bumps of travel. You have one on the top and then one on the side, and they sort of have this spring to them. And then the pulley handle, you can adjust the height. And that's really nice if you want to walk with this by your side or if you want to pull it. You can see this thing moves so easily. So this is gorgeous. It rolls easily, reinforced corners, so many thoughtful things to make your traveling easier. Cup holder, you have a bag holder on the front, two little bonus bag holders on the side. You have the TSA approved safety lock, top handle, side handle, and telescoping handle, plus 360-degree rotation for the wheels. Lightweight, roomy. Love, love, love this. Definitely check it out.